Hello, Haley. Hi. What are you doing?
I'm just deciding what should I wear today. Should I wear this dress or should I wear this jacket?
We can do anything.
Yeah.
So let's rate your wardrobe first.
Yes. So this is all where all the clothes are. This is all Adidas. They're the recent ones.
But these are all leather.
This is leather.
I love it.
है ना, this is so cool.
It's
But
so
कहाँ
cool.
पहनेंगे यहाँ पे? ये तो बॉम्बे
चला
वेदर
के।
के लिए है ही नहीं. एसी चला के घर में पहन सकते हैं. I wore this in Manali while I was shooting for Andeki. This I've worn a lot in flights. So I have shoes also to go with it. All same brand. So मुझे ऐसा issue होता है if the brands are not
Same.
coordinated. कुछ होता है कि यार ये अलग है, ये अलग है.
इसमें से कौन सी ऐसी एक जैकेट है कि यार ये एक जैकेट है, ये पीस एक जैसी मैं तुमको नहीं दे सकती.
Denim, so denim, I'm very attached. This I can't. मतलब
This is
if I
attachment.
give, then I will buy one more on the spot.
और मैं काफी ज्यादा सीक्वेंस भी देख रही हूँ. And then I see a bit of gold.
Yeah, this is all. I don't.
Okay.
I don't think I'll wear this. It's a wear.
But
Because
ये जब आपने लिया तो आपने तब क्या थॉट था?
तो मेरे phases होते हैं colors में. So when I used to be on channel V, there was this phase, electric blue phase था मेरा, जब सब कुछ electric blue था. And all my friends used to laugh at me and they're like, ये क्या nail paints है, neon green. तो ये तब का है शायद मेरे पास. मैंने कभी नहीं पहना है ये सब.
संभाल के भी
These
रखा
are
हुआ
all
है.
phases. So I'm telling you, this bling, electric blue, and the neons and all that came into my life because I started wearing it on screen. At that time, it was a trend, like
Of
the
course,
neon
yes.
colors and leopard prints. And abhi bhi leopard print is my favorite. So it has happened because of Channel V to me. Otherwise, my style was very like plain.
Let's see your dance class friendly outfits.
Yes, please. I think that would be more interesting. The belly dance costumes that I have, my mom's made all of this for me. She's made it from scratch. So obviously it goes with a skirt and then it has its own belt. I put in a lot of my own costumes in my music videos also.
I think these can also double down as blouses for saris.
Yes. You
Have
can
you
use
done
this
something
as
like that?
no, I haven't done it, but it's a good idea. I
Yeah.
could do a nice gold or like nice white sari. This is another. This I had worn in my song
I have seen this on your
Leila.
Instagram
Okay,
also.
it did really well for me.
Yeah.
So I was very emotionally attached. They were very sweet enough to give this to me.
So this is from the set.
This is from Leila. This
The
is Leila's
song.
costume. Yeah.
But do you actually get things from the set कई बार? क्योंकि
Yeah.
कई बार allowed भी नहीं होता है.
नहीं यार, I think the people that I've worked with अभी तक तो they've been nice. वो अभी custom made होता है तो it's according to you, and if it's an emotional
Yeah.
gift kind of a thing. So they gave me this. I recently shot for a film called Love Lottery. It's going to come out in September.
Okay.
They gave me, this is one of my costumes in the film. I really liked it when we were sourcing the stylist for it. And I was like, oh my god, this is so nice. This is so nice. So I think I have 5-6 costumes from the film that they gave it to me. They're like, please keep it.
ऐसी कोई इसमें से पीस है जिसको आपने मल्टीपल टाइम्स दूसरी शादियों में रीस्टाइल किया,
हाँ, हाँ.
है ना?
This is made by my mom.
Very Sufiana outfit.
Yes.
है ना?
So in dance also we use it. I've
Yeah.
used it a lot in Kathak. It's like a
Yes.
mull material, mull cotton, and this is gota. This is
Very
my
breathable.
personal favorite design. Like my mom's signature style is this.
Okay.
So because of that, I started loving this so much कि मेरे पास ये सब colors में है.
I want to ask you, आपके पहले पेचेक से ऐसी कोई ऐसी चीज थी जो आपने खरीदी and that has still remained very special to you?
Yeah, I bought a bag. तब ना Michael Kors had just come to India.
Yeah.
Couldn't use that much, so when I gave it to my mom, and then she gave it to someone else. And then so my first possession is not with me anymore, but it's okay.
I love this story, and I also know that you have a massive bag collection.
Yeah.
So we'll go and see that now.
Yeah, let's go.
चलो.
This is a very regular bag that I use.
This is one of your
This
regulars.
is my favorite. Yeah, it's
Okay.
one of my regular bags. This also मैंने जैसे बोला ना कि कोई beach destination है तो मैं ये bag लेके जाती हूँ. This is also one of my favorite bags. It's very easy to carry and like कोई 2-3 घंटे कहीं दूर जा रहे हो. Like if the flight is shorter, So ये सब calculate करके मैं bag use करती हूँ. So this is for like a colorful destination if I'm going to. है ना? Then it is.
बट ये कलर भी बहुत सुंदर है.
So this is one of my favorite bags. It is from Coach.
I love it.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
very cool. And this is something I can use on a regular basis.
This is very saloon-y.
And this I can use on a regular basis or
Yeah.
something. And this I got it from an outlet mall. This is my everyday backpack. I use it to the gym mostly. I love backpacks also. So I mean, I mostly use backpacks only and smaller bags. I need pockets. I've become like my mother now. इसमें chain है क्या? Pockets है? Because
Yes.
every time I used to buy her a bag, ना she's like, इतना expensive ही होगा ना तो same. She'll be like, but इसमें chain नहीं है.
Change नहीं है.
So now I understand why they used to talk like that all the time. Now this is my favorite that I told you. Like I got from Rishikesh.
Oh yeah, those bags.
Yeah,
Okay.
these are really nice ones and they are handcrafted and like it's so
It's
creative
beautiful.
and it is so colorful that I think इसमें से सबसे favorite मेरा यही है. So
And very sturdy also.
yeah, so मैंने ये भी ले लिया था. फिर I bought this also from Rishikesh.
ऐसा कौन सा बैग है that you regret buying?
One Burberry bag that I had bought from Indonesia or somewhere and in discount and all I got and never used it because of the color was like bright yellow and it was very nice. और मैंने रखा हुआ था तो it got spoiled on its own without me using it.
You mentioned homegrown brands and sunglasses.
Yeah.
So I want to see that basket right there.
Yeah. This I bought recently. Again, it's pink. So these
Classic
are,
Miu Miu.
yeah, the classic Miu Miu. This I
Wow,
bought. It's-
looks so pretty on you.
Yeah, this is my recent buy. This is good for like a nice sunny day.
Yeah.
Like थोड़े tinted glasses आजकल मैं ले रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पास सारे jet black थे.
Okay.
So that's what has happened and I'm like shit now everybody's wearing tinted. I also want to wear tinted.
Something that you've seen on a fellow actor and wanted to buy it.
Yeah,
In the
I think
industry.
Kareena Kapoor, I've seen her with a lot of such glasses, similar. I think these are the glasses that she would wear.
कोई ऐसा पीस है जो आपने ट्रेंड के चक्कर में ले लिया and
हाँ.
now you're like, why did I buy this?
It's again versatile. It's the same that I have.
Yeah.
So ये मुझे लगता है मैंने बहुत इम्पल्सिवली क्योंकि कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था मुझे एयरपोर्ट पे तो मैंने ये इम्पल्सिवली
तो कुछ लेना ही लेना है ऐसा वाला.
सनग्लासेस लेने थे मुझे तो
Okay.
मुझे नहीं मिले सो देन एयरपोर्ट पे व्हाटएवर वाज द ऑप्शन आई थिंक आई टुक दिस एंड दे आर ओके दे आर सिमिलर टू व्हाट आई ऑलरेडी
already
हैव
have.
एंड सो दिस आई हैव नेवर यूज्ड आई लाइक प्राडा सनग्लासेस आई लाइक टॉम फोर्ड व्हिच आर नॉट हियर वो मैं भूल गई कहीं पे
Okay.
those were my favorite sunglasses. It's been there with me for 8 years. तो मैं कहीं पे गई थी and I just left it at the table and I forgot. And
Oh my.
वो फ्रेम मुझे कभी कहीं मिली नहीं वापस और वो फ्रेम ढूंढने के चक्कर में मैंने और 4 ग्लासेस ले लिए जो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आ रहे सिमिलर. So that I never got. I think Tom Ford has the best sunglasses.
Thank you, Hailey, for letting us invade your closet.
You know what? Now I'm going to go back to my closet and start using the things that I've not used.
Lastly, the show's name is called HF Raids, so I cannot leave you without taking something from your closet for your fans.
I think my fans know how much I love jhumkas and I think they would love to have some of it. I really want to give away this. I have not worn this abhi tak.
Okay.
I think I would like to give away one more which I have worn and they must have seen it also in reels.
कैमरा को बाय बोल दे.
Bye, see you.